welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Michelle. Very nice to meet you. And if you guys are coming back, hey, what's up? So I'm going to try something different for a Mask Monday. And so happy Mask Monday, everybody. I'm going to try, this is an ASAMO V line Slim Mask Pack. So it is for your chin. And it's supposed to go ahead and slim your chin. So I'm going to go forward like this. Alright, and I am going to go ahead and take a picture. So, and this way, before I go ahead and put it on, I'll take that picture so this way we can compare the two and see if it's done anything. So I will be wearing this overnight. It has also 2 eye patches on it that you'll put on for about 40 minutes and then you'll go ahead and take it off. But I want to see if it does anything to slim this up. Yes, I'm starting to get a double chin. I need to lose weight, you guys. So let me go ahead and take a picture and I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and I took a good picture. And so this does have 2 parts. So you're supposed to wash your face, which I went ahead and did. And now we're going to open this up. And this is a dry one right here. So this is the mask part, and it's got these little ear hole parts that will wrap around my ear. And let me go ahead and see. I think that's it there. So I don't see any eye ones, which is really weird because they said there was eye ones. Eye patch lifted. I don't know. So there is a V-Line Slim Firming Serum, and so that's what's in here. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the Gentle Massage Serum on cheeks and chin. Remove film and pull one end of the mask in a line. Leave V-Line mask until morning. Apply eye patches that are already pre-cut and place underneath eyes, which I don't see the other one, but maybe I'm seeing things. So let me get to part 1, which is the serum. Like I said, I don't know where I got this from. So it's only a clear serum. And so, chin and cheeks. I don't know if it's going to go very far up my cheek, but I'm imagining you want more on your I'm going to use all of it. It doesn't have a strong smell to it. Alright. I'm concentrating it more on my neck. Alright. I think I have enough on. Alright. So then... Oh, I'm dropping everything. So then you're going to take this off. And so I'm going to, I guess, is it this way or that way? I think it's this way. Oh my gosh, I must have either a very big face oh my gosh. Okay. oh gosh. And I know it needs to be a little tight, but okay. So we'll do that. Now, I don't see any eye patches, which are really crazy. This is part 2. And so, I don't see any eye patches, you guys. Because... So, I think it kind of lied to us. Because there is no eye patches whatsoever in this. So, it really is only a 2-step, because the 3rd step said eye patches, and there's nothing in this little part right here. So, alright. Well, that's kind of crazy. Alright. Well, I will go ahead and keep this on, you guys, until the morning time. And then I will show you, and we'll check and see if it made any difference. So, I will see you guys in the morning time. So, enjoy your night, and I will see you guys in the morning. Bye. Okay, you guys, I am back. I slept last night. This was not very comfortable to sleep with. It was very tight at first. It's a little bit looser now. But, yeah, I don't know if I could do this all the time. So, let me go ahead and take it off. Oh my gosh, I feel so much better. Alright, and so I'm going to stand in the position. I'm going to go ahead and put a picture up over here of what the before was. So I can't really tell if there was any difference just by looking. But I guess when I look and insert the picture up there, I'll be able to tell if it made any difference. So you guys have to let me know. Alright, so you guys are going to have to tell me, is it worth it for this? Again, very, very uncomfortable to wear all night. I had to loosen it up one time during the night. So I don't know if that's why. I don't think I see any difference, you guys. Matter of fact, it just looks the same to me. I don't know. I don't think it worked, but like I said, you guys let me know if you think this product had worked. I personally don't see any change. So again, this is the ASAMO V lined slim neck pack. And so that's what it looks like. Like I said, it had the little patches, which I didn't realize were attached to the ear part. So I put it on for a little bit, but I don't know, you guys. All that, I don't see any difference. So I don't know. You guys let me know. Have you tried this out before? Let me know in the comment section what you thought about it. Don't forget, you guys, to give me a thumbs up, share out this video, hit that notification bell, and smash that subscribe button so you could go ahead and become a family member to this community that we're growing here. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, fabulous day. I hope you guys liked my review on this. Like I said, there was no burning, no nothing. Really wasn't cooling. It just was very constricting. So I don't know about this. So, and let me know down below, like I said, you guys, did you see a difference? Because I don't notice any difference. It looks the same. For all that, on overnight being a little uncomfortable, for it not to really do anything, I don't know. But you guys let me know. I hope you guys have a wonderful, fabulous day. I want you guys to stay safe out there. And I will see you on my next video. Oh my gosh, my hair looks a mess. Bye, everyone.